Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, yes, we're talking all about Samantha March and the Ofra Cosmetic collaboration, but you know, all her new stuff, part 2 I believe, is all sold out. So but I really so wanted to support Samantha, so I ended up getting her first collection. So that is what we're going to be playing with today. I know, like, I'm a couple years too late. I don't even know, last year. But yes, I've never owned an Ofra product ever. Actually, I just ordered 2 Ofra highlights again because I wanted to support Samantha. And if anyone who doesn't know Samantha March, I will leave a picture of her right here, but of course everybody knows her. And I will also link the video of her collaboration part 2 down below. I'll even put part 1 down there as well. Yeah, so that's what we are going to be talking about today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You can ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yeah, make comments, like, ring the bell, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support, and thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, cool. So let's get started. I am like so super excited. So of course it was Samantha March and Ofra's collaboration. This was our first collaboration, and I believe that came out last year sometime in May or March or something like that. But anyway, so of course the new collaboration part 2 is totally out of stock. Congratulations, Samantha. By the way, that girl is one busy girl. She's, every time I turn around there's a new video. I don't know how the hell she does it. I want to say she comes on 3 maybe 4 times a week, I'm not sure, but she has that. She writes books, she's got a podcast, a partridge, a pear tree. Girl, she is busy as a bee. So of course I wanted to support her. By the time I got to ordering it, it was all sold out. But I said, you know what, I really want to support her. So I got the original. So this is what it is. Of course everybody knows about it. Let me just tell you what is in it. I haven't even opened it. I haven't even touched it. I've never touched an Ofra product ever, although before grabbing this one I did grab 2 highlighters, which is still sitting over there. I never did open them, and of course one of them, as I was reading the back of this, is the Star Island highlighter. But you know, you can never have too much highlight, right? Cool. All right, so let me just tell you what this is. First, it has, let me see, the highlighters started all. Influencer Samantha March curated her own 2 favorite highlighters. So like I said, the one of them is Star Island. That is a warm ivory. And the other one is Pillow Talk, which is a soft pearl pink. That sounds so great. Let me just put my hairdo back. Like every time I wash my hair, like clean, like fresh hair, it's all over the place. I cannot tame this bad boy, so I'm going to just put this little lover back right over here just to get it out of my doggone face. By the way, I do have on full eye makeup, concealer, and foundation. Of course, as usual, I will link everything below. But anyway, so we do have 2 highlighters here. We also have this liquid to baked blush pairing. So there is a blush. One side is a shimmer side, which is a warm deep rose, and the other is a matte, which is a pink nude. So cool. So we have a highlighter, we have some blush, and then we have a bronzer. So this Sunny Duo adds warmth, depth, and accentuates your best assets. So so there's a shimmer side, it's warm copper bronze. And then there's a matte side that has light neutral mocha. That sounds so great. And then last but not least, she's got let me see here. She's got a mocha nude mauve lip duo. So one is the mauve, which I'm not really, it looks kind of dark on the box, but I don't know. I'm not really a brownie kind of nude. I'm more of like a pinky kind of nude, but we will see. And then there is also a pearl iridescent shimmer to go on top, and that is called MILLIE. Named after Samantha's grandma who loved pearls. I love it. Okay, so cool. So let's get started. I'm going to open up this little lover. I'm like so super excited. Here it is. There it is. So I'm going to open up this little lover right here. So of course, it gives you the whole preface of Samantha. It's cool beans. And I'm going to just pop these little lovers out. Okay, so ooh, that's pretty sturdy. That's like a pretty hefty weight kind of product. Let's see here. Ooh, that is beautiful. Look how nice that is. I know, I feel like, yeah, of course I'm a year late, but like to me it's brand new. And yeah, so these are the highlighters. Ooh, I don't even want to touch them. So that's the highlighter. And then, so let's see. And then this is, ooh, is this the blush? Yep, this is the blush. How beautiful is that? And over here is the bronzer duo. That's beautiful. Isn't that nice? So, so nice. And then last but not least, oh, you know what? I take it back. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick. I am not a liquid lipsticky kind of girl, but we are going to do it today. On the box, it looked a little bit more like brown, but I mean that this is more of a mauve. You could totally see that. And then last but not least is MILLIE. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, cool. Let's get started. Did I bring my mirror? No. Hold, please. I'm going to have to say in every single video, hold, please. Okay, I am back. So let's see here. By the way, I did burn my head. It is, you know, kind of crusty. And we are getting there. It's like every time I flat iron my hair, for some reason, yeah, it's the same thing all the time. Okay, cool. Let's see. So let us start with the bronzer, of course. So I want to just swatch these first because I don't know if I'm not really a shimmery kind of bronzer kind of girl. I kind of like my mattes. I am 53. I don't like, you know, any kind of showing too much texture. So let's just check it out. So I'm going to, ooh, these are so buttery and delicious. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to just put on one side. Oh, I see. But you know what? So there is the two blushes. Obviously, you could see that one is matte and one is a shimmer. But honestly, like that shimmer does not look like it would accentuate anything. It's, wow, that's interesting. You could totally tell the difference between the shimmer and the matte, but the shimmer is not like, yeah. Ooh, that looks so, so good. Okay, so of course, I'm going to start off with the matte. And of course, my brushes are dirty. Don't judge your sister. Don't judge your sister. So I'm going to just tap this off. And yeah, I'm a little nervous because I don't. Ooh, that is pretty. That is super duper pretty. I was going to say that I'm a little bit nervous, but ooh, that is so pretty. And of course, with this big brush, you really can't help but kind of go in with both of them. I like to put a little bit of, wow, that is so pretty in the monitor. I like to go over the bridge of my nose, and I'm just going to go down my neck here. That is so pretty. What the hell? I'm getting like blemishes at my age. I know it's the masks and stuff, but you know, ooh, that is so beautiful. Ooh, I love that. That is so, so nice. Ooh, so nice. That is so beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to do the blushes. Ooh, that is so pretty. And again, I want to swatch both of them. So I'm not really like a peachy kind of girl. I'm such a pink kind of girl. But these are, see, same thing. Like, look at these blushes. You see that? Like, one is obviously a little bit more shimmery, but you really, it doesn't, ooh, I can't explain it, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? It doesn't look like it accentuates, gonna accentuate textures, but we'll see. So I'm going to go in with the matte side, and of course I go right at the apple. See, this is so pretty. I always say I'm not really a corally kind of girl because, you know, I like my cheeks like pink, but every time like I accidentally grab like a coral or a peach, it looks so doggone pretty. That is so beautiful. So I'm going to stay on the apples of my cheek ever so gingerly. I am heavy-handed with blush, and then I'm going to go up to my temples. That is so pretty. And you know, just in case, you could always go back with your sponge or your brush or whatever you used to put your foundation on and just go around it just to soften up those edges. Yes, that is so friggin' pretty. I can't even stand it. Okay, that is so, so nice. So now we're going to get to the highlighters. I'm like so super duper excited. Ooh, that is so, so pretty. Now, what did it say here? This was, let me look at this box over here. This was, where the heck are you? Oh, yes, warm ivory and soft pearl pink. So let's just take a feel. So this obviously is the warm, ooh, that is so pretty, ivory. And then this is the soft pink. Ooh, they are both so pretty. But again, like not so much that it's gonna, it just looks softer. It, you know, of course, some highlighters, girl, I could see you a mile away. But like these look very, very subtle. I want to say can we do one on each side? Can we do that? Why not? Why the heck not? Why not? So that is what we're going to do. So let me just see here. Let me grab, whoops. Let me grab my highlighter brush and I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to put the ivory on this side. Ooh, look how beautiful. Wow. That is so, can you see that? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I'm like, holy shish kabibble. Wow. Holy gaboli. Yowza. Holy shish kabibble. Huh. This is so, so pretty. I guess I'll put that in the Cupid's bow. And, ooh, that is really beautiful. I'm going to just dab it. Okay, and then I'm going to clean off my brush. Actually, you know what? Let's get a different brush. Let's see here, Sister Sledge. Let's get this little brush over here, the Bristles Beauty, and I'm going to take the pink side now, and I'm going to put on this side. Ooh, ooh, okay. I don't like this brush, so we're going to just clean this one off and just, this is gorgeous. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I was not expecting, this is like an iridescent. Holy shit. That is beautiful. Ooh, I really don't know which side I like better. Like they're totally different looks. Like this is more of like your traditional, you know, champagne-y, goldy kind of look. And then this side is like, this side is beautiful. This is like that iridescent pink. Wow, it is so pretty. I don't know which one I like better. I love them both. Wow, 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 wow. That is gorgeous. Okay, cool. And then last but not least, let me just take some, I just have a little lip balm on my lipperoonies. So let me just take this off. I did not bring a lip liner because I don't like to, when I first try a lip product, I don't like to distort the color. So I don't want to use a lip liner. I'm not a lip, I just want you to know right now, right off the bat, I am not a liquid lips kind of girl. It has nothing to do with the product, but you know, we're going to try it. And I'm really not a dark lip. We'll see. Yeah, that is so pretty. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just leave it like that. And I'm going to just shear it out with my finger. That is really pretty though. I'm just thinning it out with my finger. First, it kind of, get it off your teeth, girl. So first, when you do this with your finger, first of all, it shears out the product. It makes it like less opaque. And then, of course, we older women who have these lines on our lips, it almost like kind of fills them in. That is so super pretty. Yeah, that is more than enough for me. And then, of course, we're going to top it off with Minnie. So excited. Ooh, nice doe foot. What the hell? That's beautiful. Oh my word, that is beautiful. Like at first you're thinking, I don't know, it looks almost glittery. I'm like, girl, I don't know stinking ass glitter on my lips, but that is not it at all. That looks so beautiful. Wow, I can't put my finger on this formula. It looks like glitter when you put it on, and then it kind of like blends into like a shimmer. Wow, that is so, so beautiful. So let me just take off my little hairdo over here, and let me just check out. This is so pretty. So yes, I know I'm a day late and a dollar short, aka a whole year late, but again, like I said, I so wanted to support Samantha, so I grabbed last year's products. So this is it. This is so beautiful. Again, my very first time ever laying my hands on any Ofra product. Wow, that highlighter is, I don't even know what to say. It is so beautiful. I love the bronzer, and again, the blush. I am not really a peachy corally kind of girl, but this is so beautiful. And every time I say that, and every time like I kind of like accidentally grab, it looks so good. Girl, get out of your head, explore. So beautiful. So yep, that's it, guys. This is my video on Samantha March and Ofra collaboration, the original one. Could not get my hands on the new one, but yeah, that's it, guys. Leave me some comments below. What do you guys think of it? This is my first time ever trying any kind of Ofra products, and you know, Samantha is just such a gem. She's just so genuine. I guess that's a great way of putting it. But yep, that's it, guys. You guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.